here at Bristol, ang aim natin really is to build a community and to welcome lahat ng mga old and new riders natin to have mga destinations, reason to bond, to chill together. So we're inviting everyone, so lahat, okay, from the scooters to the adventure bikes, we'll have more rides this year. Kaya yun, invite your friends and join the fun, okay? Join the brotherhood. So see you everyone and God bless us all. Here's to 2023.
Rome is not built in one day. Nasa proseso tayo. So this year, we're going to be concentrating on the community. Asahan ninyo, mas marami tayong mas organized at mas malaking rides na mangyayari.
This is really, like, I've been on every ride. This is the first ride that we've blended the big CCs and the small CCs, okay?
Yes.
And it's proven that we can do this again. What we're thinking next, it has to be a beach trip. Like, so we're thinking Batangas.
In Jesus' name we pray. Amen and amen. God bless us all.
Hey guys, and welcome to Dear Joe Cafe here in Tagaytay. This is the first Bristolero ride of the year. It's the first ride also that we have blended our high displacement and small displacement bikes, and it's so nice to have everyone come together. What a breath of fresh air, literally here in Dear Joe, Crosswinds, Tagaytay. And for 2023, you know, we're going to continue to build the community here at Bristol, especially with the Vantaggio community and some other small displacement bikes that are coming into the scene. So again, this is the first of many, guys, and we'll see you soon. Thank you so much.